Hi everyone, thanks for joining me today. Today I'm going to be doing a layout process video using Simple Vintage Great Escape by Simple Stories. I hope you'll enjoy the video. If you do, please leave a comment below letting me know what you thought was the coolest thing about the video and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. So today I'm going to be doing a real mixed media layout for this particular video. I have 4 photos that I've taken of my husband and I on a hike that we've taken locally. So I'm starting off with a Simple Stories background. I've used a texture paste through a stencil that looks like wood grain. So I'm going to be spraying after that 2 different Lindy sprays. I'll list the products down below in the description box. And then I've got 2 pieces of chipboard from Creative Embellishments that I'm going to be embossing and adding those to the layout because I think they're going to be the perfect addition to this. So I've got the wax paper down so that I don't have to worry about losing all that embossing powder, of course. Once I've got that all done, then I'm ready to start my page. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to back my photos. So I found some cardstock that I think is going to work well with the collection. I'm going to back that first. So these photos are actually already trimmed in white. They're going to be backed with the green, and then I'm going to back them again. So they're going to be like almost triple mounted with the plaid. And I think that's really going to bring a little bit more whimsy to the layout, besides having this, it's a really kind of heavy textured background, so I want to have some lightness to it. So I think that's really going to work for me. So I have these 4 photos. 3 of them are landscape and 1 of them's portrait, and one my husband's acting pretty goofy and I needed that photo on this layout, so I thought I'm going to do that. So I've taken the photo of the 2 of us off on the side. That's going to be the main focal point for this layout. I'm going to distress the edges. So for this I've used Distress Stain daubers in tea dye, and I'm playing around with some placement. I don't know whether I want them kind of goofy on angles or whether I want them straight, but for now I know at least where the photos are going to go. So I'm taking one of the pages from the collection, and it's kind of a cartography kind of a map paper, and so I've really heavily distressed it, and I'm going to put that down on the paper, and that's going to add some interest on the side underneath those photos. It's going to provide a backing, and then I'm going to use the other side, the B side of that paper, and layer that on top as well and distress that. I really love a grungy look, and I really want this layout to be sort of grungy and fun and feel like you're walking through a forest with us. So, so a lot of it is going to have a lot of texture, just as a forest walk would. So I've got the pictures down. I've got some extra paper that I think I'm going to use. I have, from the Simple Stories, there's a ton of these little squares that have cute little sayings, so I think I'm going to use them. So I'm kind of cut a few of them out. In the end, I'm not going to use them on this layout after all, but they are cute little sayings and stuff. So originally I thought they might be useful there, but yeah. So I'm going to be going into my little stack of embellishments that I got that go with the collection. There's 2 sections. There's ephemera that are sort of sayings and cute things, and then there's lots of fauna and like moths, butterflies, ferns, and lots of toadstools. So I'm going to play around with those embellishments and just try to figure out where I want them. I'm going to be putting on a lot of layers in here because I really do want you to feel as if when you're going into the layout or you're looking at the layout, that your eyes feel almost as if they're walking into a forest. So there's going to be a lot of embellishments, and there's going to be a lot of layering, but not too much. At least they're flat embellishments. They're not like really heavily dimensional. I did want to add a little bit of extra dimension and interest, so that's why I decided to use the chipboard that you see that I've got on the page. And they really did add a little something to the page. I'm really pretty happy with that. So I've just got a few more little embellishments, some little word cards, some little sayings, and I'm putting down some Dylusions white ink just to add some splats to the page that I think are going to make it kind of grungy. And here's a close-up for you. This layout was so much fun to do and such a throwback to art journaling and working with a lot of mixed media. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. That really helps me get my content out to other people. And please subscribe to my channel if you want to be notified of my future videos. So that's it for today. Stay tuned for one of my next videos where I'll be telling you which kit I'm going to be working with for the month of July. And make sure to check out that video so that you can vote on which one is your favorite. And then for the month of July, you'll be seeing me use that kit all month long. Have a great one.